Did you see that? Did you see that? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my luxury wish list. So I've never done a luxury wish list video, and mainly because a lot of times I'm not very strategic in the way I go about buying some of my luxury items. But I've noticed that there's a lot of luxury wish list YouTube videos, and I thought, why not jump on the bandwagon and see if I can come up with some. So I'm going to tell you some of these items, but they're kind of in the periphery of my mind. And these are things that I just go, that's really pretty. It'd be nice to have, that kind of stuff. So if I don't get it, I don't get it. It's not a big deal, except for the first one. And I have written down everything that I'm going to talk about in a piece of paper because there's 10 of it, and I didn't want to forget anything. So the first one, this is the one that I plan to eventually get it one way or another, and it is you're gonna think this is stupid. It's not really stupid. It's a house. I already have a house, and so it would be moving, but the house that we currently live in have no bedrooms on the first floor. And as I get older, as I reach my 60th year, I'm not 60 yet, I got another year, I am thinking I'm gonna need to be able to, not go upstairs as my knees kind of give out. So that is one of the reasons, but more importantly, because I'm pretty active still. More importantly is our parents. My parents are in their 80s. My husband's parents are late 80s, early 90s. So as they get older and as they become unable to take care of themselves, I want them to be able to come to my house if they wish to. So that is kind of the driving force. If we don't have a bedroom on the first floor, I can't even offer it. But if we do have a bedroom on the first floor, hopefully more than one bedroom, maybe it's a ranch or something, but then it'll be easier for me and it'll be easier for them to live at our house and be comfortable and be able to get around and walk around in our house. So that's the main reason. But yes, a house. Some point in the next few years. Okay, so I'm gonna put it out there in the universe. So next couple items are jewelry. I've just gotten into jewelry very recently, luxury jewelry. Is that, now I can't say it. Jewelry. Is that how you say it? Now I can't even know. I don't even know. All right, I have the Cartier Clash in medium and Cartier Juste un Clou. What I think I need, and need is, loosely termed, is a bangle with diamonds so that it would make it even prettier. I like things that are sparkly. So yeah, diamond bangle. I don't want a bangle that's like circular. I want like oval shape, like the Cartier, so that it matches what I'm wearing. The second is a necklace, but yellow gold necklace. I have a white gold necklace right here. This is something that my son, I've mentioned this before, my son and his fiance gave me a couple of Christmases ago. And I have a pink rose gold Cartier Clash necklace. So I got white gold, rose gold covered. And thinking that what I need now is yellow gold. So for the yellow gold, I'm thinking either the PRELOVED necklace or a Van Cleef vintage Alhambra, and I'll put the picture in. So the Cartier, I want that in with diamond pave inside, encrusted in it, and I want to be able to get it probably pre-loved because I think the prices of those drop. Van Cleef probably at the store because I haven't seen too many pre-loved of that, and when I saw, I think I saw it one time pre-loved, and it was not cheaper than retail, and I'm not going to pay anything above retail. So next few items are all luxury bags. So in no particular order, I have the reissue 226 in black with gold hardware. After I got to 226, I thought, well, maybe this is a little big. I kind of like to wear it crossbody. So navy reissue mini with gold hardware. I kind of called the two different Chanel stores that's near my home, and asked them if the new collection was going to have it. And one person said, no, it's not coming out with a navy with gold. Another person said, yes, she thinks they're coming out with it. And if they do, she's going to contact me. So I'm not even sure if it's coming out. If not, I kind of don't want to pay over mid 4,000s because I saw it and I didn't buy it. I saw it a couple years ago for like $4,100 or $4,200. And I don't want to pay like mid 5,000s. I'm not paying way above. I'm not paying premium price. If I get it, great. If I don't, whatever. You know, that's my philosophy for all of these stuff. So reissue, navy with gold hardware, mini. If I can't find that, maybe if they're coming out with the reissue chevron black aged calfskin with black hardware, so black hardware, that would be also awesome. Because I saw that at the store, and at that time I wasn't really into it, and I was like, 4,400, nah, I can pass. But now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, wow, I can fold that, I can wear that crossbody, I can wear it over. Too much social media. This is what happens. You convince yourself this is what you need. And then next is the Chanel caviar leather with mini with top handle. They've had one season. Was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. And then subsequently, it's only been lambskin. And I don't want to get a lambskin crossbody bag. And to me, that can be kind of nice, but also kind of casual. So again, I'm thinking maybe navy would be really nice because I don't have a navy color bag. Now to Hermes. So there's several items in Hermes that I'm thinking that I would love. One is Hazan 25. I have never seen this in person. I have seen YouTube video reviews of it. I've seen Jamie J. Hi, Jamie, if you're watching. She's got a YouTube channel and she does fantastic bag reviews and any kind of product reviews. And she bought one and I thought, oh, how beautiful. And then I asked her how does she like it. And she and I have a very similar style, taste in bags. And she said she loves it. So then I'm thinking, oh my gosh, it's got outside pocket where I could put my phone in, and you can wear it over your shoulder, crossbody, as a clutch. It's got so many different ways of wearing it. So I thought this would be great. Again, I've never seen it in person, so I couldn't tell you for sure. Next is Speedy 20 in monogram. You know I have Speedy 20 in red empreinte leather, and I love that size. And I sold my Speedy 25 monogram bandolier long time ago when I decided to get the Pochette Métis in reverse monogram. Now, again, those of you who follow me know that I had to return the Pochette Métis reverse monogram because of glazing issue. So Speedy 20, when they came up with a zipper that goes to the side and wide opening, I thought, this is so cute. I'm not such a great fan of the wider strap, but I have an alternative strap that, the reverse monogram strap, or I can get a Vachetta strap. So yeah, Speedy 20. In fact, I know it's completely out and nobody has it, and I'm not willing to pay premium. I have my name down with Louis Vuitton, and we'll see if they call me or not. The other one that I was thinking of putting on this list, but I'm not going to, is Speedy Nano. Now, the Speedy Nano that's coming out has the detachable strap. I'm not too keen on the dimensions of that in relation to the Speedy Nano that they have with the strap that's not detachable. So I think a lot of people are wanting to get the one with the detachable strap. It's now dropping a little bit in resale market. So if the price gets lower enough, but again, I'm not sure about the size. I don't know if it's going to make me look big. Like, I love the size of the Nano, but somehow I'm wondering if sometimes in some of the bags, when it's too small, one, it's hard to get things in and out because the opening is very small. And two, it's like I've heard from some of the social media influencers that if you've taken like one item out of that Nano, that everything could kind of shift around inside, and then you can't find things, and the opening is tiny. And so there are some issues that I've heard about. And I know that the strap for non-detachable is probably going to be a little too long for me. So it's not quite perfect. So that's why I'm not so sure about Speedy Nano. So I'm not going to put that in, but I'll mention it to you. Another is either Lindy Mini or a Lindy 26. And Lindy Mini, I've already talked to my sales associate at Hermes to see if she is going to get that. If she's going to get that, give me a call. If not, I'm not paying premium. Okay, you get the gist, right? Or Lindy 26. I saw the Lindy 26 in Hawaii, I think like 2 summers ago. I forget, a couple years ago. And Lindy 26, it would seem very fussy. But then about 6 months ago, I saw this woman carry Lindy 26 at the Saks Fifth Avenue store. And like that bag, just like, whoa, what is that? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's cuter than I thought. And it's got the outside pocket. It's not as versatile as like say Halzan is, but I would think that if I got that bag, I would probably not do all the zippers and fuss with all that stuff. I'm very easygoing. I have to be able to go in and out of my bag very easily. So Lindy 26 is like this, so maybe not. But Lindy Mini, if they have it, great. Again, these are very, very hard to come by, and they command premium resale prices, which is why I'm going to go through Hermes. And same idea with my next 2 items, which is Birkin 25 or 30, or Kelly 25 or 28 in return. So for me, it's always been return because Cellier is way too structured. I'm very casual, so I think that I would use a return, a retourne. I don't know how you say it. You think I would know after years of French, but I know I'm not willing to go pay 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 or whatever. If I get offered, great. If I don't, great. I buy what I want. I mean, I truly buy what I want, but I am not going to buy things just to buy it to have that, the history, the buying history. That said, if everything being equal, if I could get an item through my sales associate, item that I want through my sales associate, then I'm going to go get it through my sales associate. So hopefully I'll be offered, but if I don't, I don't. Actually, Kelly and the Birkin, for a long time, I didn't even know what they were. I think about, when was the last time I was in Dubai? I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. That was the first time I actually started asking, do you have a Kelly? That sales associate sort of laughed at me. Basically, in Dubai, it's kind of reserved for people who live there, as it should be. And because I have no buying history with the sales associates there, and it's a foreign country, so they don't even know at that time, I'd bought anything from Hermes. So now it's kind of become not a game, but like, let's see if I can get it. So when we were traveling in Europe, whenever I saw an Hermes store, and if I was thinking about getting something, and certainly in Hawaii, I'd always ask, what could it hurt? They say no, they say no. It'd be great if I get offered, but if I don't, I don't. So I think that's it. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel and sharing this video, clicking the thumbs up. How do you say it? If you like this video, please give this a thumbs. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Click the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. Nami! Did you see that? Did you see that? He opened the door on his own. Oh my goodness. That's what you call a smart poodle.